Let's go. Alright, we're here at Newport. We've just installed a new Mitsubishi Electric split system, replacing the old Daikin. It rusted out due to the weather of the sea water. Here's Vicki. I think she's a happy customer. I'll have to ask her. Vicki, how have we gone today?
I'm a very happy customer. I nearly died in the heat yesterday. I didn't know what to do. I got online and found these guys. It said 24 hours, but usually that doesn't mean anything. And I messaged and he answered me straight away. And he came the next morning on Sunday morning. I'm so grateful. Couldn't be more grateful.
Well, thank you very much, Vicki. That's right, it is a Sunday morning. It doesn't happen often, but when it's needed, we can help you out. We've got back-to-back installation on brackets here, so we'll go check out the outdoor unit in a minute. Thank you very much, Vicki, for choosing Ready. And hopefully we can...
And the guys were lovely as well.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Alrighty, let's go outside. Alright, so here we are at the back now. This is the outdoor unit. We've got it up on new galvanised brackets to protect from the weather, especially near the water. You know, nice, beautiful view, but it's not great for metallics and aircon units. We've reused trunking at the customer's request to save some money. We've got the drain all hooked up to the outdoor unit and the indoor unit, as you can see. Brand new Mitsubishi 7.1 kilowatt AP series. It's pretty smick. Let's get in touch with Ready and we can sort you out with one too. Click the link below, give us a call. Cheers.